I'd like to ask you a little bit more specifically about the role of leadership by government. And thinking back to your time in politics and thinking forward to the challenges that lie ahead, I'd appreciate if you could offer us a couple of thoughts in terms of what it's fair for us to expect or hope for from government through and beyond the pandemic.
Well, I think we should expect honesty. This idea that Bob Woodward talked about in his book about knowing how serious the pandemic was in the United States, but not revealing that to the public. We need to be honest with people and communicate well with people. And we also need good followership. Good leaders also need good followers, and that is the people who respect the leadership enough to follow their lead. In Canada, I'm satisfied that we've had good leadership during this pandemic. All of the political leaders have been rewarded with large levels of support. I think that we've not only had good leadership at the political level, but at the public service level. And I think the Canadian model really looks good. Our public health officials are almost national heroes. They're out there before us every day. They have a high degree of credibility. And I think as a country that we should give ourselves a little pat on the back. We're a country that still respects the legitimate role of government. We may have a disagreement here and there, but when the government says we need to lock down, we lock down. When they say we need to wear masks, largely we wear masks. We're good at accepting that the collective good of the entire country can only be protected if each of us individually look after our neighbors and those around us. So I'm proud. I'm proud of our country's leaders during the course of this particular crisis, and I'm proud of the citizens for the way in which we have performed in a typically Canadian way, looking out for each other.